So the next question is integration of, this is the fourth problem. Integration of sin square x into cos square x into dx. So first we compare integration of sin power mx into cos power nx into dx, that is equal to sin square x into cos square x into dx. So here that m equal to 2 comma n equal to 2, so both are even now. So use the trigonometric multiple angle formula. So what is the formula? That is sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos 2x by 2, and cos square x can be written as 1 plus cos 2x by 2. So therefore integration of sin square x into cos square x into dx, this is nothing but integration of sin square x. How to write sin square x? 1 minus cos 2x by 2 into cos square x 1 plus cos 2x by 2 into dx, and we written as 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, that is 1 by 4, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So here we do that, that is a plus b into a minus b formula. And next it can be written as 1 by 4 into 1 minus a cos square 2x. The cos square 2x is nothing but a cos square x. How to write cos square x? That is nothing but a 1 plus cos 2x by 2. So this is nothing but cos square 2x can be written as 1 plus cos of 2 into 2x by 2 into dx. So therefore 1 by 4 into integral of 1 minus, this is nothing but minus 1 minus cos 2x by 2. So we simplify this part, 1 minus 1 by 2 minus of cos 2x by, that is nothing but 2 into 2, 4. This is nothing but cos 4x by 2. So therefore this is nothing but a 1 by 4 into 1 minus 1 by 2 is nothing but a 1 by 2 minus cos 4x by 2. So therefore 1 by 2 into integral of 1 minus cos 4x by 2. So 1 by 2 is a constant taken as an outside. 1 by 4 into 2, that is nothing but a 1 by 8 into integral of 1 minus cos 4x into dx. So that is nothing but a 1 by 8 into integrate, that is nothing but you get the integration of dx minus integration of cos 4x into dx. Finally we get that 1 by 8 into x minus integration of cos, nothing but sin 4x by 4. Okay, so therefore we get that x by 8 that is 1 by 8 into x minus sin x plus 4x plus c. So that is how we can solve this problem. So first, sin square x into cos square x into dx. We compare that sin power mx into cos power nx. Here m equal to 2 and n is equal to 2. So both are even number. Both are even number. For even number, so if both functions are even numbers, then we use the trigonometric multiple angles formula. That is, sin square x can be written as 1 minus cos 2x by 2, and cos square x can be written as 1 plus cos 2x by 2. So therefore 2 into 2, 4, that is 1 by 4 into a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. We get that cos square of 2x. And cos square x can be written as 1 plus cos 2x by 2. In the same way, we expand cos square 2x, nothing but 1 plus cos 2 into 2x by 2. So therefore separate this 1, that is 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 2 into 2, 4, cos 4x by 2. 1 minus 1 by 2, that is 1 minus 1 by 2 is nothing but 1 by 2 minus cos 4x by 2. Here the 2 is the LCM. We get that 1 minus cos 4x by 2, and 2 can be taken as the outside of this integral. We get 1 by 8 into integral of 1 minus cos 4x, and we separate this integral, integration of dx minus integration of cos 4x into dx. Integration of dx is nothing but x, and integration of cos 4x is nothing but sin 4x by 4. So therefore here we write as integration of dx equal to x, integration of cos 4x, nothing but sin 4x by 4. Okay.